everyone. Now welcome to the first video in our series on TinkerCad. Now what is TinkerCad? TinkerCad is an amazing platform, okay, fully online, where you can create wonderful stuff, alright, starting from 3D design, circuits, as well as coding. Alright, so how do you get started with TinkerCad? So go to tinkercad.com, alright. Then on the top left hand corner, it will ask you to sign up or log in. So if you already have an account with TinkerCad, just log in. If not, sign up. Alright, so let me log in now. Alright, so I can log in as an educator, alright, or you can create your own personal account. If your school already has an account created for you, you can log in using those student accounts as well. Alright, so in my case, I'm going to log in as an educator, okay, using my Google account. Alright, so once you log in, alright, what you will see, alright, many sample projects already available, plus whatever that you have done. Alright, so for example, things that you have worked on will appear here in terms of both 3D design as well as circuits. Alright, if you are enrolled in classes, those classes will be here. Alright, plus you can also look at a collection of work done by others and build upon them. Correct. Now I'll give you some time to get started with this login process. Okay, make sure you all have logged in. All right, and then in the next video I will be talking about how we can start creating basic simple circuits using TinkerCad. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.